a generally very busy person. I work Monday to Friday. On the weekend I'm doing YouTubing. I love cooking. I love to create food. I love food. Hello, I'm Soysouda. Today I will show you how to make prawns avocado pasta. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click notification bell. Okay, for recipe, now I'm going to blend avocado and salt and water. Okay, next I'm going to chop onion, tomatoes, garlic, and finely chop parsley, big chili for garnish. Wow, the creamy of avocados, salted butter makes it taste so good. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on notification bell. For more recipe, I will put description below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.